Hey, it's Hyde checking in from the Lost Mine Mountain Coaster Complex, one of the new mountain coasters here in the Pigeon Forge area. And this one, it's been getting a lot of rave reviews because it has quite a bit of theming and dark ride elements to it, something that you don't really see on mountain coasters. So excited to go check it out. I got a full POV. Let's jump on the ride.
All right, headed to the ride. Nice themed kind of queue hallway here with some kind of background posters helping the backstory. Heard that this ride has quite a few theming elements, and we haven't even gotten the ride yet, and it's already the best themed mountain coaster out there by far. Just keeps going and going. That's cool, some lighting effects. Feel like we're in the mine now. Well, here's the ride.
Alright. Have a good time. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, end of track, what is this? Quite the long lift hill, and it looks like we're going into a little dark ride section up here. Oh, this is cool. Some automatic braking there. That wasn't me slowing it down. It's like they want you to go through the dark ride section nice and slow. Mine car over there. Oh, there's a bear. Ooh, got a steep lift hill coming up over here. Noises coming from this mine over here. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up. Sounds like a snoring bear or something. So this is one of the newer mountain coasters in the Pigeon Forge area, not too far from the island, kind of on the backside of the island over by where Flavor Town Guy Fieri restaurant is. If you know where that is, kind of up behind the island, this is a couple blocks to the north of that. We got another whole kind of like scenery up here. So far not a lot of coasting, but trades off for that with a lot of scenery. And considering how high we've gone up, I think we're going to get the coasting going right here. A sleeping bear. All right, now we're cruising. brakes wide open. So any slowdown is kind of the automatic braking system. And another little scenery shed. Very quiet and calm back here for literally right up over here. It's bumper to bumper traffic, and you just go a couple hundred yards back from the road, and it's super quiet. So now we're going over that dark ride area we just went through. On the outside of the dark ride area, there's kind of fake bears climbing all over that. All right, yeah, great view of Pigeon Forge. This is exactly what I was talking about. You can see the island straight in front of you. You can see the stuff from the Guy Fieri area. Oh, we got some honey. We're back coasting. Lost count of how many lifts there are. I'll have to watch this video to count myself. This is maybe 4 or 5 already. Got some beaming up on the trees over here. Little like miniature tree houses. Up, of course, you gotta have an outhouse. Oh, there's a bear reading inside the outhouse. Oh, I like the colors on this one. All right, I think this is the home stretch. Start seeing the road. The parkway is right up over there. Yep, definitely the home stretch here. About does it. As part of the complex, they have a miniature golf course themed to more bears. I mean, just love this. You got the bear like with the dynamite. You got, I guess he's trying to blow up the raccoon. Look at that raccoon's face right. He's just as surprised as we are to see a raccoon on a boat like that. Looks like a fun mini golf course. Certainly no shortage of mini golf here in Pigeon Forge area, but at least this is a unique theme, and go and play mini golf. They play it with some fun looking bears. All right, quick review. There's, I don't even know how many now, maybe 10, 12 mountain coasters in the greater Pigeon Forge area. And a lot of them are very similar. This one's definitely not the fastest or the tallest or the craziest, but I really like the theming. I'm a big theming guy. It starts kind of in the really cool queue area, and then a couple of dark ride segments. So I appreciate that they did something different. So, if you're looking for high-speed thrills, this one might not be for you, but if you like theming, this does a really good job overall. And like I said, it's also unique. Location is also right on the heart of the strip. Some of them are a little bit further off, but this is right off kind of this back road. I'll put in the video what this is called, I forget it. And the actual parkway is just kind of on the other side of that hotel there. So it's very, very easy to get to, kind of the heart of everything, and really enjoyed it. It's probably my personal favorite mountain coaster, or second favorite, kind of, with maybe one of the more intense ones, but definitely gets a big thumbs up for me. Just jumping in to add one more thing. It was $20 with tax, I believe.